In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of else statement in Node.js JavaScript. This statement is a catch-all which is executed when previous conditions aren't met. Here we've declared a variable weather and set it to sunny. We then have an if statement that checks if the weather is rainy. If it is, it would print take an umbrella. However, since our weather is sunny, this condition isn't met. That's where our else statement comes in. Since the if condition is not met, the code within the else block is executed, printing enjoy the sunshine. As you can see, the else statement provides a default action in our decision structure. When the if condition isn't met, the else statement takes over. Now, let's look at another scenario where we can use else if along with if and else. Here, we have a variable score set to 85. We first check if the score is 90 or above. If it is, it would print you got an A. However, since our score is 85, it doesn't meet this condition. We then move on to the else if statement which checks if the score is 80 or above. Since our score is 85, it meets this condition and prints you got a B. If neither of these conditions were met, it would move to the else statement and print keep trying. This is how else works as a catch-all in conjunction with if and else if. It allows us to handle multiple conditions and provide a default action when none of the conditions are met. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you now have a better understanding of how the else statement works in Node.js JavaScript. Keep practicing and happy coding.